Wind energy is quickly becoming an increasingly popular form of renewable energy. Analyzing wind energy is important in order for us to better understand potential future investments in wind turbines both on and offshore. By analyzing historical data from wind turbines alongside weather data, we can accurately predict expected power outputs from turbines in order to maintain maximum efficiency. Let's see how we can use the TIBCO analytics solution to help us get insight about various wind turbines throughout Texas. The energy output of wind turbines is highly dependent on weather conditions present at the wind farm. Here in Spotfire, we can begin by analyzing historical weather data in areas where there are planned or already existing wind turbines. As we select an area to explore further on the map, we can see the weather patterns across time at various wind stations. We can also easily toggle the y-axis using a drop-down to select our desired variable. Here we can toggle between wind gust speed and hourly wind speed to take a closer look at the data on the scatter plot and the box plot. We can also go beyond traditional geospatial analysis by seamlessly infusing data science. Since we have a limited number of weather stations and sensors to track wind data, we can leverage Voronoi diagrams in Spotfire in order to extrapolate data from nearby stations and sensors. This, coupled with historical time series data showing average wind speed, pressure, and temperature, can help us better understand potential sites for wind turbines. We can also see the Voronoi cells colored by average hourly wind speed, with green representing the highs and red representing the lows. Here we can quickly see the regions that have had high average wind speeds that may be good sites for future turbines. Now we can take a closer look at various turbines in order to better understand the relationship between wind speed and average produced power. As we can see, various wind turbines have different peak power outputs that are dependent on the wind speed. For example, here we can see this particular turbine can produce nearly 4,500 kilowatts of power when wind speeds are around 12 miles per hour. Lastly, we can combine all of the information known and the data collected in order to model and predict the expected power output from various wind turbines. In order to accomplish this, we're able to use a multivariate ARIMA model created in TIBCO Data Science, which seamlessly then integrates into Spotfire. We can then view the output as expected produced power at certain wind speeds for various turbines. This end-to-end solution seamlessly processes large volumes of data to help provide a 360-degree view of wind energy today, while also incorporating important information that we can use to better plan for the future of renewable energy.